Family against the noise. In a culture pulling families apart, screens, schedules, and stress, we must return to God's design. Family isn't just important, it's essential. When we make time to pray, eat, and worship together, we silence the noise and strengthen the bond that no storm can break. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15.